Okay, this is a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. Belongs to my daughter, and just recently it started making some type of clicking or clunking noise coming from the steering column. I'm pretty sure it's coming from the inside. It's nice and clear from the inside. I'm gonna move the power steering a little bit just so you can hear what I'm talking about. I don't know where exactly it's coming from, since the shaft is completely sealed. I do see some type of oil on that bolt right there that connects the shaft to the electric power steering motor. This is the oil. That's the oil, it's leaking. I don't know if that has something to do with it. But I was wondering if anybody had encountered this problem, and your input would be greatly appreciated. If I need to replace the whole shaft or something, a part or something, any advice would be greatly appreciated. And also, if this is something to be major concerned about, or what's the deal with this clunking noise. Thanks.